Are you struggling to find a lucrative side hustle or a quick path to passive income? Developing your own game can be a long and complex process, often requiring significant time and coding expertise. What if there was an easier way to tap into the booming mobile gaming market? Introducing Candies Unity 2022 Game Source Code, your shortcut to effortless game development and steady revenue. This isn't just a game, it's a complete, ready-to-launch business opportunity. Imagine having a high-quality, engaging mobile game that's fully prepared for Admob integration right out of the box. Candies is built on the robust and versatile Unity 2022 engine, ensuring modern performance and compatibility. The game features captivating match-3 puzzle gameplay, universally appealing to a wide audience. It comes equipped with full Admob integration, meaning you can start earning passive income from advertisements immediately. The truly remarkable feature is its easy reskinning capability. You don't need to be a coding wizard to transform this game into something entirely new. With minimal effort, you can change graphics, sounds, and themes to create multiple unique games from a single source. This multiplies your income potential without starting from scratch every time. The included detailed documentation guides you through every step from setup to customization. This is a perfect solution for entrepreneurs, developers looking for a head start, or anyone aiming for passive income. Stop dreaming about earning online and start doing it with Candies. Unlock the potential for multiple revenue streams and rapid market entry. Get your hands on the Candies Unity 2022 game source code today and begin your journey to passive income. The link to purchase is conveniently located in the description below.